Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet, and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet the Cobblestone Stitch pattern. As you can see here in front of you, this is a beautiful multicolored stitch pattern. You could work it in a solid color or in two different colors. I'll just be working it today in the 3 because it makes it easier. I'm not weaving in as many ends as if I worked it in 2 colors, and it really shows off the stitch pattern. The pattern is the same on the front as it is on the back. The stitch is made up of fairly basic crochet stitches, so it's great if you're a beginner or a more advanced crocheter. So today for the tutorial, I'm going to be using a worsted weight, medium weight cotton yarn. I'm using the Pima Cotton by Lion brand. I'll be working in 3 different colors. You're also going to need a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook and a copy of the free written instructions, which are on my website at richtexturescrochet.com. Thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to subscribe, take a look around. This channel is updated every single week with new free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Now I will be working our stitch today in rows. I'm going to start by taking my color A. I'll be using this off-white color. You're going to make a slip knot and then work a foundation chain. Your foundation chain today will need to be a multiple of 3 stitches plus 2. Today I'm going to chain 23 stitches. There's 21, which is my multiple of 3, plus 2 more for 23. Once you have your foundation chain worked, you're going to begin row 1 by into the second chain from your hook. You're going to work a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet stitch. You're then going to skip the next 2 stitches and into your next stitch, work a single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet stitch. You're going to repeat this all the way across, skip the next 2 stitches, into your next stitch, work a single crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch, and a double crochet, all the way across until you have 3 stitches remaining. When you come all the way across and have 3 stitches remaining, you're going to skip the next 2 stitches and work a single crochet into your final stitch, but at this time we're going to switch to our color B. So to switch to our color B, skip the next 2 stitches, insert your hook into that final stitch, and with your color A, yarn over and drop a loop. You can then drop your color A, pick up the color B, place it on your hook, and pull through. Next, chain 1 with your color B and turn your work. Now for row 2, working with your color B, you're going to insert your hook into that first stitch. The chain 1 does not count as a stitch, so into that first stitch you're going to work a single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches into your next stitch, which is the single crochet, work a single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet stitch. You're going to repeat this all the way across until you have 3 stitches remaining. Skip the next 2 stitches, into the next stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. When you come to those final 3 stitches, you're going to skip the next 2 stitches, and into your final stitch you're going to work a single crochet, but this time switching over to your color C, just as you did at the start of that row. And chain 1 and turn your work. Then for row 3, starting in that first stitch with your color C, work a single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches and repeat. In the next stitch, work a single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet stitch. Repeat that all the way across until 3 stitches remaining. When you have 3 stitches remaining, you're going to skip the next 2 stitches and then work a final single crochet into that final stitch. Now if you've been working it as I have and you are not fastening off at the end, I just have to find my single crochet stitch, there we go, and you're not fastening off, you can simply pick up your color A once again, which is just hanging down here on the side. Place it on your hook and pull through. Be careful, don't pull it too tight. You don't want your fabric to bunch, but also don't leave it too loose. You want it to be nice and flush with the rest of your fabric. Chain 1, turn your work, and repeat. So you're now simply going to repeat that last row, so single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet into the first stitch, skip the next 2 stitches, and then repeat. And you're just going to repeat that row and switch colors after each row, and that's going to give you that cobblestone effect. And that's all there is to working this cobblestone stitch. So thank you so much for joining me once again. Don't forget to subscribe if you happen to try the stitch. Be sure to tag me on social media and I'll come by and admire it. You can tag Rich Textures Crochet. So until next time, happy crocheting. Bye.